Hey, this is Anthony, and welcome to Fund Operation Financial Freedom. And if you're watching this video, you are obviously interested in investing and obviously interested in the secrets to getting rich. Albert Einstein used this quote, which I love. Got it right over here. Compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. He who understands it earns it. He who doesn't pays it. So what did Einstein mean? It's quite interesting. So he's saying basically, if you understand how compounding interest works, you're going to be earning it through investing. And if you don't know how it works, there's going to be others on the other side of it actually charging you the interest, like in credit card debt, in a home equity line of credit, in a mortgage, in a car note, etc. So compounding interest, we're going to get into the details now. Let's dive into compounding interest. This is going to be sort of a 101 lecture right now. It's going to be pretty simplistic for those that are just learning. And if you're interested in investing in your TSP, I strongly urge you to learn what compounding interest is. So basically how it works is it's the interest earned on the interest you make off of your principal investment. So I'm going to put a little chart. It's going to be somewhere behind me, but I'm going to break it down for you in that chart, and I'm going to show you what that means. So basically what it is I'll do some math. If you have $100, if you have $1,000 and you're earning 5% on that. So your question is, well, I don't even understand how I earn 5% on that. That'll be for another video about investing and where to allocate your money. But you can earn 5%, and let's just say for the sake of this, it's going to be in a certificate of deposit, which is a CD at your local bank, or the credit union, which is on post. So say you earn 5%, if that's the going rate, you will earn at the end of the year $1,050. So the $50 was the 5% off of the initial $1,000 investment. So then year two, the same money. So if you take that $1,050, remember you put in $1,000, you earned $50 at 5%. You didn't take it out, you rolled it over. So now year two, you are earning money not on your initial $1,000, but also on the $50 in which you put in. So you earn $52.50. That's 5% on top of the $1,050. So at the end of year two, that's going to bring your balance to $1,102.50. So you can notice how year two, it just gets higher and higher and higher. And as you contribute to, it's only going to compound more and more and more. So that's the secret. There really is no secret to getting rich. The wealthy, what they do is they stay in the market for a long period of time and they consistently invest. They don't time the stock market. They don't time investments. They don't guess when the markets are going to go up or the markets are going to go down. They just continuously invest out of their paycheck every 2 weeks into a sound investment. So I'm not talking about the ultra trillionaire wealthy. I'm talking about the average millionaire that lives on your street, that you're stationed with, that just retired. What they did was they invested year over year, and they continuously put in that $1,000, and they're earning that 5% or that 8% or that 12% on that investment. And remember, compounding, as Einstein said, the ones who understand it get it. So if you understand that you're going to be earning interest on the interest that you've earned already, that's where the wealth starts to build. The ones that don't, if you don't understand it, you're going to continuously pay it. You're not even going to look at the rates that you're paying. You're going to pay 18% APR on a new car. You're going to spend 8.5% on a mortgage, on an equity line of credit, 20% on a credit card, on and on and on. So if you were my best friend and I'm sitting down with you and I'm talking to you, as I am right now, I urge you to understand what compounding interest is. Remember, it's the principal money you put in, the interest earned on it, and you earn interest on top of the interest. So let me scroll through here, see if there's anything else that I need to share. No, that's it. It's really simple. And I just want to put this out in a video. I'm going to put a little chart again in the corner about the example that I just used, and I'm going to put it down in the comments as well. If you have any questions or you need any help at all, just send me a message, a comment. I always check them. And this channel is growing, so like and subscribe. And thank you so much for being part of it. I want to be as authentic as I can. I want to provide you with good intel about how to become financially free. Take care.